switched this Van Wert from coal over to oil. Just installed the new filter inside and Firematic safety valve. And as soon as the temperature in the boiler comes down a little bit, it'll kick on. There's the Firematic safety valve. That has some soft metal in it. There's a fire and it gets hot, it'll close the valve, theoretically keeping you from dumping heating oil on the fire. And that's our new filter setup. I clamped it to the 1 1/4 inch return header pipe. That's pretty solid, so that's not going to go anywhere. That's our line in from the tank outside. Eventually we'll take the filter off outside and just put a pipe on it, but that's not a job for today. This is a purge port, so that if there's any junk in the tank, you can shut that valve off and try to dump it out of here instead. And it's got a vacuum gauge on it to tell you if the pump is sucking too hard, meaning that the filter's clogged. Kind of like a diesel. All right, let's see if it lights up. Oil fire. Seems to be running pretty normal. Well, there it is, switched over to oil for the moment. We're going to switch it back because the coal fire in there is still lit. So it's actually pushed the stack temperature up to like 400 degrees. I don't know if that's because you got the oil fire going and an idling coal fire, but that'll be it for now. She can switch between oil and coal.